So the section of holding the laws of Shabbos, section 273, Siman Reish Ayin Gimel, halacha zayin. The Geonim ruled that our sages' statement that Kiddush may be recited only in the place of one's meal, making Kiddush while you eat, does not mean that one must complete his entire meal in that place. Instead, even if he ate only an olive-sized portion of bread, even an olive-sized portion of products made from the 5 species of grain, right? Wheat, barley, rye, oats, and spelt, over which the blessing Boyer Minim Mezainis is recited, or drank a revis of wine besides the cup of wine over which a Kiddush was recited, he fulfills the obligation to recite Kiddush in the place of a meal. He did the job. Afterwards, whether immediately thereafter or at a later time, he may partake of his meal in another place. He does not have to recite a blessing over a cup of wine before that meal. This applies both at night and during the day, since he already fulfilled his obligation to recite Kiddush in the place of a meal. This meal is similar to the third Shabbos meal, at which one is required to recite a blessing over a cup of wine beforehand. So once the other meal that you're eating, it's like Suda Shlishis, he says. It's considered like Suda Shlishis, at which one is not required to recite a blessing over a cup, unless you need other people to be yotzeh. So if you made Kiddush in shul and ate something right there and then, first of all, you're allowed to move because you already ate. You ate mezainos in that place. And you fulfill the mitzvah of Kiddush and Achila. But there's another concept of Seudah. You have to have Seudah Shabbos. Seudah Shabbos is not mezainos, is eating bread. So that is not accomplished. And when you're going to the next place, you can accomplish the Seudah. But you yourself, you don't have to say Kiddush because you already said it.
What about in the case where a person washes and makes hamotzi, and then he wants to finish his suda in Machem Acher in another place, in Besh in another place?
Then it becomes complicated. Right. If he has in mind in the beginning, he didn't have it in mind in the beginning, he can see the place, he can't see it.
Right. It's always better to varech the bench.
Right, in the place where you are, where you ate.
Rabbi.